Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jakara. And it's another beautiful day here in the south of France. We're going to have another video just kind of chronicling some of the things I'm doing here. But most of it is going to be DIY stuff because I'm winding down in my time here and I need to get on some projects and complete them before I leave. So mostly I'm going to be working in the bathroom. I'm going to finish up the plaster in the ceiling in my bedroom from what I started last video. If you didn't get a chance to see that, I'll link it up here somewhere. You can click that and get up to date to what I'm up to. But just going on my daily walk. It's a beautiful day. It has been a little bit chilly here for the last few days, so it's so nice to just be without a coat and walk in the sunshine, be out in nature, listen to the birds. Yeah, I'm pretty happy, pretty excited about this beautiful day. So if you want to see what I get up to in this video, how things end up, then just keep on watching. One of the things I love most about being out here is you see the juxtaposition of the vines, the grapevines. They haven't, obviously they're past the season of grapes, but then you see the little white flowers that they plant in between the rows of the grapevines. And then there's just kind of a, like I said, a juxtaposition of the gnarledness of the, I'll even zoom in closer, the gnarledness of the grapevine with the delicateness of the little white flowers. I don't know, it's something about it. It's just so beautiful to me. It makes me feel, I don't know, serene, reverent in some ways. Yeah, just a beautiful sight to me. I don't know, maybe I'm making it out more than what it is, but that's how I feel. The other thing I find beautiful are all of the olive trees, and you can even see the olives on there. So pretty. The colors are so pretty. I just love it. And they're all over the place because we are in the Mediterranean, or near the Mediterranean, by the way. So, yeah. Gorgeous. Okay, so I've put it off long enough. It is time to work on this section of the bathroom and put the paneling up behind here. As you can see, it's crumbled. You just see stone wall and crumbling plaster. Well, we're about to cover all of this up. So the first thing I need to do is create battens to attach the paneling to. So I'm gonna have to put some wooden battens here, attach them to the wall across the way. I'm like across here. Oh, put them, vertically and horizontally to create a grid system to attach the paneling. So let me attach these battens and then we'll get to the paneling after that. Okay, so I got 2 battens up. This one I had to put wall anchors first, and this one I just had to drill directly into the wall. But I'm going to line up the panels here and try to get it as close to this edge here because this is where the shower starts. I might need to kind of overlap. So I can show you, overlap a little bit so that that edge of the shower is covered. I might just do that. And then when I get to this edge, I'm gonna have to knock out some of this part so that I can get the paneling behind there. Or maybe I'll notch the paneling. We'll see. Let's see what we can do here. All right, we're done screwing these on. There's definitely like a gap here next to the shower, but I think I'll put like a 1/4 round or something there. Just kind of like shoe molding just to finish this edge off. I don't have any with me right now, but anyway, I think it looks pretty good. Looks better than what was up there, and I don't have to hide it with the shower curtain. So what I'm gonna do now is fill in the spots where I have the screws with some wood putty, and then I'll paint it. So this is how it looks when you first walk in. Much, much better. I appreciate how it looks. Now I just have to work on this wall over here. In the interest of transparency, I had to redo this because as you can see, the top of the lid, the toilet kind of goes at a slant. It's not, the wall is slanted. It like, there was no way I pushed the panels behind it, the toilet, but then that unsealed the toilet. So every time I flushed the toilet, it would leak from where it was supposed to be sealed, where the tank was supposed to sit on the bowl. So yeah, I had to remove those pieces and then cut them really short, as you can see. And then I had to cut small pieces at the bottom there and attach those. So not as seamless as I'd hoped it would be, but it worked. All right, so let's take a break from the DIY. I'm on my way to do something fun. I bought a bike, you guys. I bought a bicycle. I really wanted an e-bike, but they're very expensive. So we're just gonna do a regular bicycle. And so I'm gonna go pick up my bicycle, but I gotta walk there, of course, because I don't have any other means of transportation. And so, yeah. And it's such a lovely day today. It's sunny. The weather is mild, so I can ride my bike today. So part of the reason I wanted to get the bike is that I just wanted to be able to go out further beyond the village. I can only walk so far, and my back starts to hurt. So I want to be able to go out a little further, see a little bit more, and get more exercise. So yeah, I'm trying to be a little bit more active. And so I figured riding a bike would be less work on my back and my knees. And I would actually get to do some exercise. All right, here she is in all her glory. They even gave me the saddlebags that came with the bike. I'm going up a hill. I'm already short of breath. So I'm just gonna push it up the hill and then ride it once I get up there. Clearly, I'm way out of breath and out of practice, but that was fun. Whew, so excited. All right, it's time to finish this beam up here. So I'm gonna put a third coat. Hopefully that'll be the last coat, and then we'll paint it. All right, so that's the third coat. Unfortunately, I have to put another coat over it, so I can't paint it just yet. I'm gonna let it dry. We'll see if I can get another coat on it today. I might have to wait to paint it, but I'm hoping not. I hope it all dries today after the fourth coat. It's pretty thick coat, so it probably should take a couple days to dry. If I don't finish it in this video, I'll definitely finish it in the next video. I just can't rush this process, unfortunately. Okay, so I'm working on this side of the wall of the bathroom, this wall of the bathroom, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to put the paneling over here. I think I'm only going to go up to where the light sockets are because, or even maybe right before that, because I need an electrician to get in here and work on this, and until I can do that, I don't want to put anything around it or, get anything in the way. So I think I'm going to leave this side of the wall as is for now. I mean, it's okay, except for, like I said, right here, you can see the paint is peeling and stuff. But here, I definitely want to cover this up with paneling. So I think I even started putting the batten there. I'll put something around the mirror and maybe go to the end of where the tile is here. That way the electrician can work over there okay. And yet this side is all covered with paneling, so it looks a little bit better. Well, a lot better than what it looks like right now. Frame up there, the battens, and I'm gonna start I put one of the panels up. So I'm gonna start filling up this space and covering this space up. Hopefully it'll go by quickly. This is what it looks like so far. I think I'm gonna stop right here as far as putting paneling. I am going to now fill these screw holes with wood filler and paint this section and this section. So when I come back, I will complete I will complete the other side once I get the electrician in here. Like I said, this light switch isn't working, the plug isn't working, so I have to get somebody to come look at it, and I don't want to cover up anything with paneling until I get an electrician in here to fix that. The holes are filled. It's time to paint, as you can see. All right, it is done. Looks so much better than what was up there. I just eventually, of course, I'm going to finish this whole wall, but for now, I'm pretty pleased with how this section looks. All painted and everything. So, yeah. Much progress. All right, you guys, that's it. That's it for this video. I know I didn't get to everything and finish everything, like my bedroom. Still working on that beam in my bedroom, but in the next video, I'll have it all sorted out. And also in my next video, I'm going to be doing something special for my birthday. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to have you back for the next video. If you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video, that would be great. Until I see you next time, take care.